What's up everyone, my name is Marcus Grip and today I'm going to do some crazy rafting here and then extreme ziplining after. So today I've chosen the GPX shorts because I need a lot of pockets for my camera stuff. It's really important for me as a videographer. Also they have water repellent, so it's perfect with the water and splashes from the river, and also ziplining, so you want to be comfortable. So that's what I've chosen today. Hello. So this is 12 meters. Scheiße. So nice. Woo! What the fuck is diving? Shit. My turn. Oh shit. It's higher from here, I tell you that. Holy fuck. Oh, so cool! Nicest job of my life. Woo! You guys should try it. All right. We were an inspiration. Now they gonna jump too. High five, bro. Boom. Good job. Boom. Here's our wonderful crew. Wonderful water. Wonderful 12-meter jump. It's so cold.
It is.
Oh shit! Woo-hoo! Right, how you feel?
A little bit nervous.
You and I are going over there.
I know. I can't believe I'm doing this.
It's gonna be fun.
No, no,
Yes.
no.
I'm super excited. And so is she, just in a very different way. I love heights.
I hate heights.
Right. Woo!
I'm so excited.
For safety, you know, if you fall down 600 meters.
At least I will look sexy.
Oh, handsome.
Okay, you are ready?
Thank you. How was it?
It was wet. I thought I was crying, but then I started to just drain. It was nice.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Nice, right?
It wasn't that scary.
No, right? It was a nice view.
Yeah, it was.
Alright guys, we are in the hotel room. Hello you lazy fuck.
Hey.
So it was really fun rafting, as you could see. The zip line was crazy. So thank you guys, Montenegro Adventures take care of us. And you did good, because you're like scared of heights. Nice!
I was super scared, as you can tell.
Goodbye, and thanks for watching today. Tomorrow we're gonna hike up to Black Lake. Sounds pretty epic. Bye guys!
Hej då!
Oj.
Head up! Take 2. Boom! Thank you guys for watching today. Follow us tomorrow on the next adventures. Oh yeah!
Thank you for watching.
And you can't even cover it.
My hand is too small.
Yeah, you need to eat more food. Okay, over and out.
Boy, on the town all night.